Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to round numbers up in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. This feature comes handy in situations when we need to round numbers up to specific decimal places. Please pay attention to the syntax so as to have a proper understanding of how to round decimal numbers up to a specific decimal place. First, we write the round keyword and then open a bracket. Inside the bracket, we need two important parameters. The first parameter is a decimal number we want to round up. The second parameter is our desired decimal place. Let me show you how. There you have it. You just learned how to round numbers up in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.